game ranger Peter Van Wyck has been tracking a pack of African wild dogs, and they've cornered a female bushbuck. As more dogs arrive, things are not looking good for the antelope.
Mother, if you start crying.
Initially rescued by the hippo's unlikely intervention, now the antelope is stuck in the mud and the dogs return.
Kijk, ik slip ik ook nog in die water.
Ano ito manibiyan?
In die water.
Ja, ik ben ook naar die water. Maar toen niet in het punt van het voet. En
Wat is dit? Zeekoeien? Ja, 2 zeekoeien.
Nee.
Ik moet overleg aan helpen. Hou die video op.
Ik doen.
Ja, kijk. Daar gaat hij. Daar is hij.
Kan jij geloven?
Maar wat de...
Oh.
This is exactly where he snatched the calf. It's not only a few stragglers. The entire herd follows the leaders across. It's an opportunity to go big and catch one outright. And not a calf. He's after a mature male wildebeest. He doesn't think about the risk, just the reward.
In the mayhem, wildebeest trample everything in their path. But DC holds firm. His grip cripples the wildebeest and makes him easy to manipulate. The dry season has had an impact. The pool's no longer deep enough for a quick death. But DC's got a bigger problem. 1.5 tons of poolmate who's cranky about the commotion. Every additional twist and turn draws on DC's vital energy reserves. Already strained when he's underwater with no air. DC's got to drown the wildebeest quickly to stop the struggling and placate his poolmate. He may be a vegetarian, but an angry hippo can bite a croc in two. Luckily for DC, he takes his frustration out on the wildebeest.